In this video, we will see how to change the case of alphabets, that is cases from lowercase to uppercase to lowercase of characters in a string. So here I have an example. I have a string that is welcome. This is all in capital letters or upper cases. I want to change those alphabets to lower cases. So how it is possible? Let us see. See, already we have seen the ASCII codes for alphabets. Capital A ASCII code is 65 and B's ASCII code is 66 and so on, and capital Z ASCII code is 90. Similarly, we have seen ASCII codes for lower cases also, that is 97 and this is 98 and so on, up to lowercase z is 122. We know these cases. So it means when it is capital W, I have to change it to lowercase w. So if suppose it is uppercase A, I want to convert into lowercase a. So how it is possible? So actually the code is there, that is 65. This is 97. What is the difference? 97 minus 65 is 32. This is the difference. What about the difference between these two alphabets? 98 minus 66 is again 32. Oh, so it means that uppercase and lowercase letters difference is 32. Yes. So it means, so similarly, capital Z and a small letter z, if I take, that is 122 minus 90 is 32. So yes, so it means that the difference between uppercase to lowercase is of 32. If it is uppercase, in that if I add 32, then I'll get a lowercase ASCII code. So is it possible to add numbers to alphabets? Yes, actually the alphabets or letters are nothing but codes. They are numeric codes, right? For a programmer or for the user, it is visible as W, but actually it is ASCII code inside the main memory. So yes, I can modify it by adding some number. So how to convert from uppercase to lowercase? Add 32. Let us give it a try. I will add 32 in all these alphabets starting from index 0 onwards. So these are the indices, right? Starting from index 0 up to the end of a string, I will add 32 all of them, as already those are in upper cases. So already you should know what is the present case. Then you can change the cases. So let me write down the procedure for converting the cases. I should scan through all these alphabets. So for that I need a for loop. So I will declare a variable I. So for I assign 0, and I should stop when it is /0. I have given the name of a string as A. So as long as A of I is not equal to null character, I should increment A. Then what I should do every time? Every time at each place, here I should add 32. So at A of I should add A of I plus 32. So 32 code is added, so it will become a lowercase. Then after finishing this, I will print the string. So printf %s, I will print a string A. That's it. I can get a display of lowercase alphabets for a string welcome. We have already seen how to scan through a string or how to traverse a string using a for loop. We have already seen in the previous videos. So I am scanning through, and while going through all the characters, only thing I am doing is adding 32, so it is becoming lowercase. So similarly, if I subtract 32, it will become uppercase if the string was already in lower cases. So yes, you can change the case by adding or subtracting 32. Now next thing I will show you how to toggle the cases. Toggle the case means if it is lowercase, I will change it to uppercase. If it is upper, I will change it to lowercase. So let us look at how to toggle the cases of alphabets in a string. I have these alphabets, some are in lower cases and some are in upper cases, like E and C are in uppercase, rest of them are in lower cases. So whichever are in lower case, I will change them into uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. So it is simple. If it is upper, I have to add 32. If it is lower, I have to subtract 32. So for that, I should scan through this whole string. So for scanning through a string, I need a for loop. Already I have a for loop. Now in this string, inside this for loop, I will modify the alphabets. So here what I have to do, check if it is uppercase. So first check if it is uppercase. So I can write a condition here that if a of I is, when it is uppercase, from 65 to 90, if a of I is greater than or equal to, I can write 65, and a of I is less than or equal to 90. So this means it is uppercase. So change it to lowercase. By adding 32, I can change it to lowercase. So for addition, I can use this symbol also, that is assignment addition operation, and I will add 32. If it is not uppercase, else check if it is lowercase. If it is lowercase, then change it to upper by subtracting 32. So I should not simply write else, I should check the condition that if it is lowercase. So when it is lowercase, if it is in between 97 to 122, so greater than or equal to 97. So instead of writing 97, I can write alphabet also in single quotes. So it is 97, and a of I is less than or equal to 122. If so, then I should change this by subtracting 32. Yes, this loop will toggle the cases. If it is uppercase, lowercase, but don't change it again. If it is not uppercase, check if it is lowercase and change the case. Now one more important thing in this one is that if there are other symbols other than alphabets, they will be untouched, they will not be modified. Like suppose here instead of E, I have letter symbol 5, that is 5. So it remains 5 only, it will not be changed. So if it is 5, then it remains 5 only, because it doesn't come under this range or this range. At last, I should print this string. So I will simply write printf here. So you know very well how to print. I will write just pfa, so you know the syntax. So that's all. I have shown you two things here, how to change uppercase to lowercase and toggling cases. And lowercase to uppercase, you can write it. So all these programs you have to write down on your own machine. These are all simple programs. Simply inside a main function, you can try this program by yourself. So this is a practice program or a student challenge. You have to do it by yourself. So we will see more functions or more operations on string in coming videos.